still at Fray International Sustainability Award. There are 3 categories until now we have academics. Michael Stelter. And here we have in the field of non-ferrous smelting, hydroelectric and electrochemical processing. So, not in technical terms, some words.
I want to give a lecture over 40 minutes right now.
No, 50. 50?
Sorry,
maximum.
it was a joke. Let me say thank you very much for this award. It's one of the largest I got, I have to say.
Always.
And it's, I think, one of the importance, because the academic lifetime is over right now. Most time, research and development, what I've done, is more or less over. And for this, what has been done in one lifetime, I think that's really, really very nice. But let me thank you. Anyone who joined me on this way, my students, my co-workers, my institute, and last but not least, my wife, because she gave me the time and the space to do this work, which covered, let me say, 10 to 12 hours per day. Thank you very much, and thank you, all of you.
And that's some pictures from his life. Why? Because we had a symposium dedicated to his life achievements and bearing his name. With family at elementary school, married in 1983, sorry. She's still with me, he says. In 1986, the daughter changed his life, finishing his thesis. And Oktoberfest, no? Okay, so the institute, they do Oktoberfest every day, they told me. A party of retirement. Are you really retired?